And welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 21st, 2026, and we're diving into Kinder Morgan's fourth quarter 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Kinder Morgan, one of North America's largest energy infrastructure companies, has just released its Q4 2025 earnings, showcasing impressive growth in net income and adjusted EBITDA.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Kinder Morgan reported a revenue of $4.58 billion for the fourth quarter. John, how does this compare to last year?
That's a solid performance, showing a significant increase from the $3.987 billion reported in Q4 2024. The net income attributable to Kinder Morgan also rose to $996 million, a 49% increase year over year, highlighting the company's strong profitability.
And what about the earnings per share?
The EPS for the quarter was 45 cents, up 50% from the previous year. The adjusted EPS came in at 39 cents, which is a 22% increase year over year and above the analyst forecast of 36.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, can you elaborate on Kinder Morgan's operational efficiencies and their outlook for 2026?
Absolutely. Kinder Morgan reported an adjusted $271 billion, up 10% from last year. They also generated $0.9 billion in free cash flow after capital expenditures, which is an 18% increase. Their net debt to adjusted EBITDA ratio stands at a healthy 3.8 times.
And looking ahead to 2026.
The company is forecasting an adjusted EPS of $1.36 for 2026, which is a 5% increase from 2025. They also plan to declare dividends of $1.19 per share, reflecting a 2% increase.
Strategic initiatives and market position. John, Kinder Morgan's strategic initiatives seem to be paying off, especially in their natural gas pipeline segment. Can you tell us more?
Indeed, the natural gas pipeline segment delivered record performance, driven by higher contributions from assets like the Texas intrastate system. The company has a robust project backlog of $10 billion, with $912 million in new projects added this quarter.
How is Kinder Morgan positioned in the LNG export market?
They're in a strong position, with long-term contracts to move 8 BCF/d of natural gas feedstocks to LNG facilities, expected to grow to 12 BCF/d by 2028. This aligns with the projected 17% growth in total natural gas demand by 2030.
CEO and CFO insights. Let's discuss the insights from Kinder Morgan's leadership. What did the CEO and CFO have to say about these results?
Executive Chairman Richard Kinder emphasized the company's leadership in the energy sector, highlighting their role in supporting European energy security. CEO Kim Dang pointed out the record-setting performance and the company's healthy balance sheet, with a net debt to adjusted EBITDA ratio of 3.8 times.
And what about their outlook for dividends and net income?
They've announced a 2% increase in dividends for 2026, and the budgeted adjusted net income is expected to be 5% higher than in 2025, reflecting their confidence in continued growth and performance.
Key takeaways. In summary, Kinder Morgan has delivered a strong fourth quarter with impressive growth in revenue and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and market positioning suggest a promising outlook for 2026. John, any final thoughts?
Kinder Morgan's performance this quarter underscores their robust operational capabilities and strategic foresight. With a strong project pipeline and a focus on LNG exports, they are well-positioned for future growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analysis. We We'd love to hear your thoughts on Kinder Morgan's performance in the comments below.